Got our outhouse all framed out. I showed you. I should have the footage from building the floor and putting together the walls, kind of. And after I got that up yesterday, I kind of quit and then came back at it and framed up the box for the toilet seat, and then went in and put these spindles in for fresh air. Gonna put mesh there or whatever, and then probably put one more 2x2, I guess, across that, and it should be all framed out. Looks pretty good so far. I think I'm gonna use some of these 3/4 inch boards to board it up since we had them laying around. So I'll post another video when I get it all sided and put together.